this guy come back.
Hey, are you guys stupid?
Are you stupid? We're off the side of the fucking road.
It's off the road so you don't get killed.
We're off the side of the fucking road. Look, where's the line's right fucking here.
Hey, I'm just looking out for you, man. There's big cars coming by. Why would you want to be that close?
Because this is the dirt and these are fucking bikes. We're not on four wheels. We can't just go on dirt like.
How old are you guys?
Does it fucking matter?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you act like you're in kindergarten.
You're acting like you're in kindergarten because you can't see that we're on the side of the fucking road.
Just go, please. Just move on. We're adults. Just move on. You don't act like adults. You're parked right.
You're not acting like an adult right now. You're acting like an old bitch. Now get out of here. Fuck you. Get out of here. Fuck you. I got that on camera. That was funny as shit, man.
Your mirror fell off again?
Yeah.
Settle down. I don't know what to do.
Shut it off.
Well, what am I gonna? What? Why you shut my bike off?
Because you're fucking trespassing.
I didn't know.
You're trespassing.
I'll get out of here.
You won't stop.
I am a stop.
We're no trespassing out here.
Okay. Well,
all you guys have to do is stop and talk.
That's what I did, right?
What the fuck?
I'm sorry. I didn't.
This is all private property out here. Every single bit of it.
Okay. I'll make sure I'm not in here again. Alright?
You better not.
You won't see me in here again. Alright?
You know.
Good.
Stay out.
I will.
Guys are fucking lucky. You know what it is, eh? Hold on, you know what it is?
Well, you had a stick. You were about to swing at me. What do you expect me to do, man? Like, and I have all that on camera. So, doesn't matter. You can't. You come running up with a stick at me, like. That's so you're gonna hurt people over that. You're gonna hurt people over that, like.
We're gonna hit you. We're gonna stop your fucking bike. What we're gonna do?
Well, swinging a camera like this, swinging out on.
We've had a lot of fucking problems back here.
Okay, we're not trying to hurt anybody.
All through the fucking field and shit.
You just come down from there, did you not?
From where?
From up top there. We watched the fucking. You go through it.
Go through what?
Our field. We've had a lot of shit back here. All these guys had to do is stop.
Yeah, no worries.
We just want to talk.
Yeah.
Like shit. Everybody's running through our
Well, you
fucking
stick it in my tire and I'm gonna go over the front. You can't be sticking sticks in people's tires as they're going by. That's dangerous.
You're gonna run him over.
No, I wasn't gonna run him over.
Yeah, you were.
I wouldn't run someone over. Come on now. Come on now. I'm not gonna run somebody over. Come on. I'm 30 years old. I'm just out here having fun. I'm not out here to hurt anybody.
All you guys have to do is stop.
Yeah,
That's
no.
all you have to do. Stop. Just stop and talk. The problem, man. The problem is you trespassing. Are we killing you guys out here right now? You're trespassing. Okay, I understand. You're fucking trespassing. I understand. Period. I understand that. We have everything in our power to stop you guys and call the cops. Including throwing logs out in front of people on motorcycles? For fuck's sake. Why should I sell it? Because I'm having fun. Stop. So, something you love, and I told you to stop it. Yeah, you're trespassing for fuck's sake. You're trespassing. I'm not the only one, bud. I don't have 15 of us. Nobody's supposed to be out here. Nobody. Then put a 20-foot fence around the whole fucking place. You don't have to. You guys have to know where you're fucking riding. You want to call the cops right now? Yeah, and charge you for fucking trying to kill me on my bike. That's assault, man. No, it's not. Bullshit. I didn't know this. I never did nothing. You threw the fucking stick out in front of me. Hit my bike. Me hit my bike. What did you hit me, bud? We know that. Somebody else out here might have did that, but none of these guys. You like someone out here, we're not trying to ruin it. Hey, come on. He's got it on video. You're trespassing. You're trying to hit me with a stick. We have helmet cams and you're trying to hit us. I didn't do nothing. I was down there. You sprinting at us when we have helmet cams. That's pretty good indication. You're trespassing. Yeah, you almost killed me, man.
Yo, you got your water? Yeah, you got water? My contact fell out. That was half the reason I stopped.
I know where you guys are. I'm not pushing you, actually. Get out. Get out.
No, just relax. Everything's all...
Get out of here. Stay out.
fuck, my day's done. I just lost my contact.
I don't know that. You guys are fucking promo. If 10 people come. 10 people will show you field. I can show every person that came. This will do all fucking time. Doesn't mean you come after us. That is illegal. All you guys have to do is stop. And when it says you guys are trespassing, that's it. Guys, mind staying off on the other side. Sit there and when like this, hey guys, stop. Slow down. Yeah, we might have to. We're going to stop you right here. Nice and plain. Yeah, and then pull back up here. This asshole's got a 10-foot log and he throws it at me. Call me a goof, bud. You want to bet?
Okay, relax. It's getting way too intense.
What if I broke my neck? Your responsibility. Do it. Yeah, we'll put the blame on him. That's the kind of guy you are. Let's go. You got it on video?
No, no. We'll be out of here. I apologize.
We don't mind.
It was none of us that rode to the field. As far as I know, like I know a few of these guys are from Facebook.
I don't mind. Like I fucking made all these trails.
Okay, my name is Bob.
And Paul.
Do you mind if I park at Turner Road? I will not be in your field at all. I come down the Steve Bauer Trail right in here.
We don't mind. You guys, we just want to talk to you. That's
exactly.
all we
And I'll
do.
stop if I ever
That's all
see you.
we
You know that.
just wanted to do.
You can recognize my bike. It's pretty recognizable. I'm sorry, man. I wasn't.
I grew up. I made these trails.
Yeah.
I've fucking been riding out here all my
I just
life.
saw him with a stick. I was like, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, oh my god.
He was trying to throw him on the tires. You think
I was looking for a way because I was like, I don't want to get hit with a stick, shit. But then I knew he's the high. I was like, oh fuck, yeah. No worries. We won't come through. I promise. I can't speak for the rest of these guys, but we'll. If you ever see me out here again.
I just fucking.
I don't go through the farmer's
No,
field.
we don't.
I'm not trying to fucking.
Just last night they fucking ripping through the cornfield and the soybean field.
All right.
And there was a bunch of them. So.
I don't want to lose these guys. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate it. Take care.
Glaub's nicht. Neues Motorrad, komplett neu. Meine Fresse, ey. Ich rast aus, ich glaub's nicht. Ja, verrückt. Oh. 2016er Baujahr, komplett neu. Meine Fresse.
Was passiert?
Mann, ey. Weißt du, ey. Wie soll ich denn jetzt heimkommen? Wissen Sie, woher ich komme? Ich komme vom Spessart. Wie kann sowas passieren? Meine Güte, ey. Mann, ey.
People, it's not right. Oh shit! Damn, Twitch. Oh shit! Oh, whoa! Fuck yeah! Whoa! Oh my god, yo, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. He just hit the fucking curb, bro. That was scary as fuck, man. My bike's fucked up.
Your bike's fucked.
I know!
Where you at?
I'm behind you. We have to stop.
What happened? Use your words.
Yo, pull over.
Damn.
Yeah, I know you know him. I know you know him.
You need to let go of my fucking backpack right now. You need to let go of my backpack now.
I know you know him.
No, he has nothing to do with me, okay?
He just hit our car.
Just because I'm riding, doesn't matter. He's pulling over right there, okay? Pull over there. We'll get it sorted out. Never try to pull my backpack. Pull me off my bike and wreck me. Jesus Christ, dude, you freaking kidding me? Where's Twitch? Where you at, Jake?
Good, I was coming back to get you.
Motherfucker trying to pull me off my bike, dude. You kidding me? Dude, you just tried to freaking yank me off my bike, dude. I had fucking nothing to do with that.
What's your problem, man? Okay, don't fucking pull other bikers, though. Don't pull other bikers, though.
Excuse me? What?
Don't pull other bikers. He had nothing to do with it.
Okay, you hit the car.
I did not hit the car. I didn't hit the car.
You don't freaking pull on somebody else when they had nothing involved. You almost got me. You almost ripped me off my bike, dude.
Huh?
You almost ripped me off my bike, and then there'd be another accident. That'd been your freaking fault.
Of your bike, dog.
Bullshit. Don't ever touch me. Don't ever touch me.
Huh?
Don't touch me. Get away from me.
Huh?
Get away from me.
I have to.
Get away from me.
Three of you what? I don't give a
We're not gonna fight you, dude. Just go away.
I'm not here to fight you either, man, but you
Just go away.
had nothing to do with it. If he's riding on his bike, you yank him off and he gets hurt. How does that make the situation right? He wasn't riding when I touched him.
Okay, but you don't need to touch anyone. It's fine. We're not gonna take off. We were getting out of the
Hey, man, don't put your hands up.
Freaking kidding me, dude?
Alright.
Well guys, we've made to a lookout. I'm not sure if it's the lookout, but there's some cars here and so forth, so it might be the lookout. I don't know. We'll wait for the troops. Oh, you hit me, man.
You're behind me.
Well, you have to look.
Alright.
Yeah, you just hit me.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't expect everybody to be behind. Yeah, but I mean, I didn't expect everybody to be behind.
Well, you have to look. Fucking hell, man. Seriously. I'm fine. Unbelievable, dude.
I look back, I must be on this side of the traffic.
No, you scratched it here. You cracked the knob came off. Come on, man. Why didn't you look?
I did.
I was on the bike, so I'm up high. I need your license.
I did look.
No, you didn't look. You hit me.
As well.
Come on, man.
Look where your bike is. That's my blind spot.
I can stop on the side of the road, dude. That's your fault, not my fault.
You got it recorded?
Yeah, I did actually.
That's good. I'm there as well. Make sure you don't go over damage done. Get a good close look at that.
Unbelievable, man.
Sorry about that, mate. Seriously.
It's a new bike too. It's like brand new.
I did look back. I'm serious.
Well, okay, you look. You didn't see me.
I
So
didn't see you.
come on, man. It's a brand new bike. Couldn't believe it.
I'll give you my license too.
Is that your current address?
Yeah.
God, man, it's a brand new bike.
Still pulling over, mate?
What?
So? Woohoo! And we are here. Oh, yeah.